Meaning of hospice.
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 Hospice. Hospice is a type of care that is provided to individuals who are terminally ill and have limited life expectancy. It focuses on providing comfort, pain management, and emotional support to patients as well as their families. Hospice is usually offered in a home or hospital setting, and trained healthcare professionals work with the patient's primary care physician to ensure that the patient receives the best possible care. Hospice care also involves providing psychological, social, and spiritual support, and can significantly improve the quality of life for patients and their loved ones during the end-of-life process.